Okay. Is it recording? Alright. It's another crazy ass video. Y'all thought the last one was bad and shit, but this is definitely the nastiest shit I ever seen. The first image in my fucking life. So yeah, I'm gonna have my friends watch it. So I'll get everybody over here, and I'm gonna move out because I can't see the shit without puking. So yeah, y'all can go ahead. Yeah, yeah, get to the tip. Whoa, shit!
That's a bottle. That's not a screwdriver.
Right, it's really not a screwdriver.
That's a bottle. That's not a screwdriver.
What's that in his?
That's like a Pepsi bottle.
What's that in his
That's
penis?
why is it a needle in his penis?
That's a screwdriver.
That's a screw.
You see the fat?
Oh!
That's not a screw. That's the whole screwdriver. You don't see the fat end of the screwdriver at the top.
Oh!
Hell
no!
That's coming out his hole. Is that blood?
Yeah, look.
Hell no!
Oh! I hate you! He kind of bleeding. Like,
Yeah, that dude's gonna pass out in a minute.
He gonna pass out. Your penis ain't supposed to bleed like that. It's not supposed to bleed like that.
They sitting there watching like it's a damn movie.
Gee, their reaction is funny as hell, G.
Look at all the blood, and then he gonna look at the blood like, look at that.
That's it.
That's sexy.
Why is he bleeding like that?
He stuck a screwdriver up in his penis, like the hole in his penis, like put it up there, like up there. Is this still recording?
It was all the way up there at first.
It was. It just had the
It didn't show him sticking all the way up there.
like the handle.
Have y'all seen
Yeah.
How come it showed it like in there and then it showed him trying to?
Have you seen that?
Was he taking it out?
Yeah, it was taking it out.
Two girls, one cup?
Yeah.